Hey guys, it's your girl SJ Baby, and today I'm coming at you with a new video. So today I am changing something about me. So I'm dyeing my hair red. Alright, so I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm really excited to do this. So I'm just gonna show you how to dye your hair without bleach. Bright red. So according to my studies on YouTube, I found the perfect solution to get dark hair red. I know my hair was bleached, but it like faded away. It's not even that bright anymore, so I consider it still dark hair. My roots are black. A lot of it grew out since my last bleaching video. So today I'm gonna show you what I'm using. So I'm using the L'Oreal High Color highlights made for dark hair only. I'm gonna use the color red and the color magenta. And what's gonna make my hair bright is the developer. I saw people use different levels of developer depending on how bright you want it. Now I want my hair bright, so I'm going to use a strong developer. I'm going to be using the 40 volume developer. Some people use 30. It still comes out pretty bright, but I want mine vibrant. The 20 makes it like more of a burgundy. I don't want a burgundy. It doesn't, like, I'm over the burgundy phase. I'm ready to go bright and all out. So I'm gonna use the 40 volume developer. What else you're gonna need is a cup or a bowl thingy. This is to put dye and bleach in it. It kind of got like a little crusty bleach in it. I mean, it still got a little bit of residue from the previous bleaching processes like months ago. And something to mix it up with. You can use a cup and a spoon, but I'm just gonna use this. Yeah, you're gonna need a comb to part your hair in 4 sections, and you're going to need scrunchies to hold your hair in ponytails. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is take out my hair. You're gonna see what I'm working with. I haven't like washed it in days. I don't remember the last time I washed it. I think it's like probably like last week. My hair is super dry, so worst time to put dye in it. My hair is gonna die. I'm gonna use conditioner afterwards, so I'm not really worried about it. Oh, what else you're gonna need that I always do that. You're gonna need a bag to put on your head, or a shower cap. I'm just gonna use a bag because my head is big, my hair is big, and this is gonna capture everything. So this is what my hair is looking like. Well, my hair is kind of light. Some parts are brighter than the others, so I'm happy about that. So the red, no matter what, I'm still gonna see some type of red if it don't work out that well. Look, I have so many split ends. So this is what my hair is looking like. Let me fluff it out a little more. So we're gonna get this thing going. Oh yeah, and wear a shirt that you're not gonna you don't mind messing up, because red stains everything. Red gets everywhere, dye gets everywhere. All right, so I'm gonna start off with parting my hair in 4 sections. You can hear the dryness in my hair. Well, my roots is very moisturized. It's just like soft and then super dry. Like, well, it's not super dry. and by the way, I thought I was losing a lot of hair, but like this is like normal shedding. This is my hair all together. This is like normal shedding for me because I have tons and very, very, very thick hair. I usually get more shedding when I wash my hair, so this was nothing. I was freaking out for no reason. But yeah, I got like 35 minutes left. See you then. Guys, look at my hair and watch this. It's like super bright at the roots. You see how light it is, like, and it's wet. I have conditioner in it right now, and I'm gonna show you the shedding. Well, it's not that much shedding. Well, for me, this is not a lot, but this is probably due to the coloring in it. But like, I'm used to this much shedding. Definitely if I haven't combed my hair in freaking 6 days, almost a week. But yeah, this is what I got from finger detangling. My hair is nice and detangled, and look, and right here I already have thin edges, so I'm really gonna look like I have no edges. Oh, Jesus Christ. Just look. All right, so I'm just gonna wash this conditioner out, and I had it in for about like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, I don't know. But I'm gonna wash this conditioner out, and then yeah, I'm gonna wash it out and blow dry it and show you the final result. So guys, look at this color. This is the final result. But look how light my roots are. I look like a clown. I don't think I'll be, unless I like do my edges or something. But I'm gonna just leave it down like this. It's giving me cranberry juicy vibes. I love this. Just look. So this is the final result, and I'm really in love with this color. This giving me wine cranberry vibes. The magenta really topped it off. It was looking really red earlier, but I heard because I rinsed off with cold water. Now when you rinse off with hot water, it can get darker a little bit. So I rinsed off with warm water so it can get a little darker, so I won't look super clown red, so I won't look like Pennywise or something. But yeah, this is the final results, and I recommend anyone to try it who has natural hair and don't want to damage their hair. Just don't over process it over 45. I think I did it for like an hour low key because I was making a song or whatever. This time went off. But don't over process your hair. Don't do it more than an hour. Any chemical can damage your hair if you over process it. I got more content coming for you guys. Just subscribe, like, and comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.